Oh, yeah!
Aerial abilities.
Whoa!
A powerhouse like McIntyre.
Yeah, McIntyre goes 6'5", 265. Ricochet trying to elude McIntyre and runs into a chop. But the one thing, Corey, we smaller guys, Mason, his rivalry with City trying to fight back in this matchup.
Talk about that immovable object just dropped to his knees.
Step up by Ricochet, face first off the turnbuckle goes McIntyre. And Ricochet with a...
These men better be careful not to get counted out.
Oh!
Glasgow kiss connected.
The headbutt right
Foot on
to...
the gas pedal.
Oh, and that turns Ricochet on the former tag team champions of Hawkins and Ryder. Kurt Hawkins in the ring, looking to advance.
At this particular juncture, Hawkins and Ryder have got to be considered the favorites considering Dolphin. Rude have already competed.
Off earlier tonight, but things are not looking good for the show-off.
Oh, right off the post goes Hawkins.
There goes Robert Roode to the outside. Super kick connects.
And now Alexander, reversing direction, delivers a chop of his own to Cesaro, and another one, and Cesaro still on his feet, and seemed like he'd
Tell you till you cut me off. Watch this.
Welcome to the club.
Alexander sends Cesaro flying. There's a drop kick. Cesaro
Stop taking unnecessary risks.
Oh, just like that.
Case in point.
What an upper. And Alexander.
Oh my God!
Turning him inside out. The ring, and Cesaro really applying the pressure. Alexander able to counter.
Cesaro sent to the outside only momentarily.
And now Ali, kick right to the face of Buddy Murphy, rolling in. Look at the power! Oh my God! Familiar with.
But here comes the grace of Buddy Murphy through the skies.
Whoa! Down Ali! Measuring Ali. I'll wait for the Meteora. Oh man! With a super kick!
I think Murphy just lost a tooth.
But somehow Murphy's back up on his feet.
I had no idea how.
Instinct.
Oh my God! Reverse Rana by... Hey, wait a minute.
Oh my God.
Oh, the DDT!
Okay, that's it.
He is headed to the top. Look out! 450! Cover!